Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view the posts from other apps and websites in Facebook. Facebook allows you to interact with various apps and websites, and it's important to have control over the posts they make on your behalf. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps to access and manage these posts. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head to the store and type Facebook into the search bar. Step 2. Look for the Facebook app, which is represented by a white F on a white background. Tap on it and then select Install to download and install the app on your device. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Step 5. Next, tap on the gear icon positioned in the top right corner, right next to the magnifying glass icon. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information to proceed. Step 7. Continuing to scroll down, you'll come across the Apps and Websites off of Facebook option. Tap on it. Step 8. Within the Apps and Websites off of Facebook section, tap on Posts from Apps and Websites. Here, you'll find the posts made on your behalf by various apps and websites. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to view the posts from other apps and websites in Facebook. This allows you to have better control over the content being shared on your Facebook account. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay in control of your Facebook account's privacy and content.